Kelly Khumalo says Jub Jub introduced her to drugs. Kelly Khumalo has never been shy to talk about the toxic relationship she had with Jub Jub. The singer was a guest on Closer to Music and revealed shocking information about what happened in the relationship. She says the relationship was really bad. Toxic is an understatement, it was really bad. Hence even now, I have no desire to see the guy. Even hearing his name makes me cringe, quote, responded the singer. Khumalo claims that Jub Jub introduced her to drugs. I was introduced to drugs by him, said the singer. But she managed to stop doing drugs after their relationship ended, and she realized that is not who she was or the kind of lifestyle she wants to live. You know the saying says, the company you keep determines who you become. I kept that kind of toxic company. And I became part of it. I became that company. But the minute I stepped out, I was able to find myself again. Who I was raised to be and who I want to be. Khumalo says she went into the relationship hurt and gave too much of herself to try and be loved. Quote, I was young, when I met that guy, I was 25. For me it was okay, relationship, I was hurt, and I wanted to give a lot of who I am trying to get the love that I thought I deserved from him. Forgetting that I needed to give myself that kind of love. And I needed to understand what it means to be in a relationship. You need to give this more attention before you can want to be in a relationship with anyone, or even define a kind of love and relationship that you want to be part of. The Mpini hitmaker says it took her being honest with herself and owning up to her mistake that she was able to really come out and carry on with life. It required honesty, and a lot of it. I needed to be very honest with myself and accept the part that as much as whatever environment determined who I became at the time, I also contributed, because you allow yourself to be part of that environment. So nobody forced me to say, okay, take drugs now. I wanted to. I became part of that, quote, she said.